my sweet potato. Here's the eggplant. What's up, flowers of zucchini? Charan! There's zucchini over there. Here. And there is an okra. Let's cook noodles, chicken noodles. So, mag-invento tayo ngayon. Diba? Makakita ng chicken noodles, lagyan ng itlog, lagyan ng sweet potato leaves, lagyan ng potato, lagyan ng okra. So, mag-invento tayo ng unhealthy noodles, but we put a healthy vegetables. So, bagong menu, invented by my army. Kung gusto niyang mani, meron din dyan. Kung gusto niya ng pistachio, meron din dyan. So, ganito yung buhay ko dito. Marami pa. Yung gusto nyo ng bulok na banana. Yan rin. Kung gusto. O, ganun lang. Ganun lang. O, diba? Habang kumukulo yung ating sweet potato dyan. Mabilis lang yan maluto eh. Out. Habang gumagawa ako ng video, may nakasayaw dyan. O, ganun lang. Si Sayaw Queen. Sala, bira. Grabs. Bahala ka, intro ka sa video ko. Sige, bira, dada. Hayaan mo lang siya na sumayaw dyan. Basta ako nagluluto ng noodles. Lagay na natin yung ating noodles. Isang oras pa to. Isang oras yun maluto. Lagay na rin natin yung kanyang sauce. Back to Jing. Jing. Okay, bira. Bira, Jing. Tayo, tawa. Ngayon, dahil marami tayong manok, lagyan natin ng manok ito. So, let's put now the sweet potato leaves. Dami nito, kasi nga, ang daming tumubo. Hindi ko na kailangan ng background music, guys, kasi may background music tayo. Back to Jing. Hindi pa siya tapos. Yan. May last chapter dito kaya Dirada. Ayan na. Malapit na maluto. Malapit na maluto. Kumusta yung ating noodles dyan? Done. Naglapaw. Ito yung egg natin.
Far from home, chasing dreams, working hard overseas, cooking love in every dish, sharing joy and simple bliss. From the kitchen to the world, stories of life unfold. Every meal, every smile makes the journey all worthwhile. May army, let's go fly, taste the world, reach the sky, cook and travel every day, spreading love in her own way. May army shine so bright, all that do with heart and light. Join the vlog, come and see a world of joy and family. From the city to the sea, new adventures endlessly. Every vlog a memory shared with heart and honesty. Through the laughter and the tears, May Army conquers fears. Every story that she tells brings the warmth that truly dwells. May Army, let's go fly, taste the world, reach the sky, cook and travel every day, spreading love in her own way. May Army shine so bright, all of do with heart and light. Join the vlog, come and see a world of joy and family. Through the laughter and the tears, May Army conquers fears. Every story that she tells brings the warmth that truly dwells.